attempt with 5.
All right.
I don't know.
If this doesn't work, Luke, we're chopping off your finger.
Look. They're not all together.
I know, but they're close.
Yeah.
Those other ones were not.
Oh, looks like a dynamite stick right there. It's like broken arrow stuff.
Oh, 5!
Oh man, we should have tried 10.
All smoke.
Dude, good idea. 10, totally.
Oh my god, someone's trying to out firecracker us.
I know.
What's up with that?
No.
Damn Robinsons. Always gotta one-up us.
There's like 3 colors.
Alright, that was it.
All she wrote.
Mother fought a 4th of July.